Oh, hi there. My name is Brett Mackenzie. Welcome to the Dallas location of Arthritis Knee Pain Centers. Let me show you around. Right here is our lobby where you'll start your visit. Then you'll move to one of our 3 screening rooms. And you'll get a chance to meet with one of our nurse practitioners or doctors. Right here is one of our treatment rooms with state-of-the-art live motion x-ray, which allows us to perform various treatments. And here we have our standing x-ray room where we can take pictures of the knees and see if you're a good candidate for treatment. We'll move over here where we have our bracing room where we'll get you fitted with also a state-of-the-art knee brace to help with your knee pain. Right here we have a little bit more seating. Right here we have another treatment area with another live motion x-ray. The purpose of the fluoroscopy is to allow us to pinpoint the treatment where it's going to do the most good. And here we have our physical therapy department. In the Dallas location in particular, we have a full physical therapy department. Physical therapy and exercise can help to improve the results of your other treatment.